planning and hard work made this event possible. This summit brings together leaders from government, business, civil society and development institutions at a time when collaboration is more important than ever. It offers an opportunity not only to reflect on the challenges facing our communities, but also to identify practical solutions that can transform lives. Our theme, investing in the care economy, driving a skills revolution, job creation and inclusive economic growth through strategic partnerships, speaks directly to the realities we face as a province and as a country. KwaZulu-Natal stands at a critical crossroads in its development journey. While we continue to face deep structural challenges, including widespread poverty, inequality, and high unemployment, particularly among the young people, we also have significant opportunities to reshape our future. According to statistics, South Africa, youth unemployment in South Africa remains above 45%. This means that millions of our young people